Welcome to this presentation on the disadvantages of embedded systems. While these systems are highly efficient and specialized, they come with several challenges that we need to understand in order to use them effectively. Limited hardware resources. One of the major drawbacks of embedded systems is their limited hardware resources. These devices usually rely on microcontrollers with modest processing power, which restricts their ability to handle complex algorithms or large data. Memory constraints further limit performance, as most embedded systems have small amounts of RAM and storage. This can make them unsuitable for applications that require significant data handling or frequent updates. Difficult to upgrade or modify. Another disadvantage is the difficulty in upgrading or modifying embedded systems. Since the software is tightly coupled with the hardware, changes are not easy to implement. Many systems lack support for over-the-air updates, meaning physical access is needed for reprogramming. Upgrades can also introduce compatibility issues, requiring additional testing and validation. Real-time constraints. Many embedded systems operate under strict real-time constraints. Tasks must be completed within fixed deadlines, and any delay could lead to system failures. Efficient interrupt handling and the proper use of scheduling algorithms in real-time operating systems are essential, but they also increase the complexity of system design. High development costs for custom solutions. Developing custom embedded systems can be costly. Hardware design requires significant effort in selecting components and creating prototypes. On the software side, specialized tools and expertise are needed to develop drivers, protocols, and applications. Testing and validation at further expense, as systems must be tested in both simulated and real-world environments to ensure reliability. Limited user interface. Embedded systems often provide only basic user interfaces. Many devices have very small displays, or none at all, which makes presenting information difficult. Input options are also limited, often restricted to buttons, switches, or simple touch screens. In some cases, users must rely on command line interfaces, which are not user-friendly for non-technical people. Security vulnerabilities. Security is another major concern. Many embedded systems lack strong security features like encryption or authentication, leaving them open to attacks. Software vulnerabilities caused by poor coding practices or outdated components can also be exploited. In addition, physical attacks such as tampering or reverse engineering are possible, making security a critical issue in embedded system design. Difficult debugging and testing. Debugging and testing embedded systems is often complex. Unlike general-purpose computers, these systems offer limited debugging tools. Hardware dependencies mean that problems may be caused by the interaction between hardware and software, making them hard to isolate. Real-time issues are particularly challenging, as timing problems can be unpredictable and difficult to reproduce. Conclusion. In conclusion, while embedded systems bring efficiency and specialization, they also have several limitations that cannot be ignored. Understanding these disadvantages helps engineers plan more effectively, allocate resources wisely, and develop strategies to overcome these challenges. By doing so, we can ensure that embedded systems are implemented successfully in the right applications.